Hi everyone, good day and what's up? I hope you're doing good. Let me introduce myself. I am Angelo Iscambarihan, the reporter of Growth 5. So guys, our topic for today is about human being in time. So human being in time, one of the limit situation of human being is the situation where he or she is in time and in a certain place. His being in time and in a concrete place and always part of his or her historicity. So guys, the meaning of this is a human being lives in a specific time and place in this shape how they are. So ang pasabot ani guys is ang usa daw ka tawo nga nagpuyo sa usa ka lugar o sa specific nga oras is mao daw ni ang nag-shape sa ilaha. So their experiences and history are always connected to the time and place they live. So guys, ang ila daw experience and ila history is always daw ni connected sa ilahang gipuy-an nga lugar. For example guys, a person living in the Philippines during the digital age will think and live differently from someone who lived there 100 years ago. So, ang pasabot ani guys is, ang usa daw ka tawo nga nagpuyo daw sa Philippines during digital age karon daw nga kuan ba panahon nga kanang mga internet. Syempre mag-isip na siya og kuan kanang lahi na iyang pang-isip ba kaysa sa mga tawo nga nabuhi 100 years ago. So guys, our next topic is about human as a historical being. Human builds relationship with others which shape their identity and understanding of the world. Society, language, belief, and values influence a person's consciousness and sense of self. So guys, pasabot ani is human grows and learn through their relationship with others. So kita daw guys, magkuan daw ta kanang makagain daw ta og knowledge bitaw by the relationship with others. We can gain experience or others new things like that. So their identity and way of thinking are shaped by the society they live in, including its language, belief, and values. So, di ba guys, kita kay ma-shape man gyud ta sa kuano by society o sa tagapuyo and including sa atong language nga gamit or atong kuan mga tinuohan bitaw and values. So, ang example ani guys is a person raised in a kind and respectful community often learns to be caring and respectful too. So guys, ang point ani nga text guys is ug asa daw ta nga nagdako nga community guys is mao daw ang atong ma-adapt. So guys, let's move on to our next topic. And our next topic is about historicity of human being. To be human is to live within time and history. A person experiences and learns through boundary situations such as suffering, anxiety, guilt, death, and communication. So guys, the meaning of this guys is being human means living through time and history, learning from life experiences. So bilang usa ka tao daw guys is ang pasabot daw is ang magpuyo ta sa usa ka oras and usa ka story nga maka-learn tag kuan kanang mga life experiences without. So guys, for example is people grows and understand life better when they face challenges like pain, fear, guilt, or even by talking and connecting with others. So ang pasabot ani is kita daw nga tawo mag-grow daw ta mentally and masabta nato ang kinabuhi in a better way when maka-face daw ta og mga challenges and like pain, fear, guilt, or even daw kanang makipag-istorya or makipag-konekta sa uban nga tawo. So next guys, our topic is about finitude human being. Human beings are finite. They have limitations and weakness. So of course guys, kita nga pagkatao is naa magyud tay mga limitations and weaknesses. Recognizing and accepting these limitations lead to authenticity and self-understanding. So guys, ang pag-accept daw sa atong limit is maka-gain daw tag kuan ka ng self-understanding bitaw ana. Despite finitude, humans strive to overcome limits and find meaning in their existence. So guys, pasabot ani guys is human have limits and weaknesses, but accepting them help us understand ourselves better. So guys, kita daw nga mga tao guys is naagid tay mga limit and weaknesses, but by accepting these things guys will help us to understand ourselves better. For example guys is, even though life is short and people make mistakes, they still try to grow and find meaning in what they do. So ang pasabot ani guys is ang mga tao daw nga mahibaw nila is ang kinabuhi daw is short kaayo, and kitang mataw nga makabuhat tag mali makuan gyapon ta maghanap gyapon tag way nga para mo-improve and para mo-grow ta mentally and physically, and kuan nga na mahanap nato ang meaning sa atong gibuhat bitaw ano. So guys, our last topic is about the three vital expressions of presence and the two boundary situation. So guys, ang three vital expression of presence is past, present, future. And the two boundary situation guys is suffering and death. So guys, pasabot ani guys, human live through the past, present, and future, which shape their lives and choices. So guys, kita daw nga tao guys is ang atong mindset daw is nagpuyo sa sinauna and sa karon present or else sa kanang future bitaw. So kani nga atong pag-isip guys, mao daw ni ang mo shape sa atoa. They also face suffering and death, two hard experiences that remind them of life limits and help them value their existence more. So guys, kita daw maka-face daw ta ninyo og suffering and death. So kani daw nga duha ka experience guys is mag-remind sa atoa nga kanang naa daw limit ang kinabuhi, and kita matabangan daw kita ani nga maka-realize nga dapat i-value nato ang atong existence diri sa kalibutan. So that's all guys. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.